Hey, good morning. Brian Gillis here, reporting from Moses Lake here in Washington. I've got the privilege to get to visit with Brian Beatty. He brought me out to look at some site selections potentially. And so enjoying my time here. We visited his Moses Lake store yesterday. What a top-notch operation with just a very super focused general manager. So hats off to Alfonso for doing just such a great job. You can see it on the scorecard, which just brings up the fact that I wanted to recognize and let everybody know what a fantastic job was done in August. The whole thing with our business, it's all about momentum, and we've got the momentum on our side. So let's just keep it going. Let's continue to push through. Let's continue to just really smash last year's numbers. Congratulations to Scorecard. Looks so beautiful. And looking forward to doing the same thing in September. Just roll that momentum right on through and keep it going month after month. One day at a time, 1 week at a time, 1 month at a time. So, hey, y'all have a great day. Rally up. Let's keep it going. Let's have a beautiful September. And by the way, yes, it is jacket weather here, which a Texas man can appreciate. And look at that. I don't even see how Brian ever leaves the house. This is so beautiful. It's very peaceful. And but we're going to put in a hard day's work today and see what we can't get done. Y'all have a great weekend, great Labor Day, and let's rock and roll September.